Ragi farmers in Odisha's tribal-dominated Rayagada district are facing financial distress over alleged delays in procurement and non-payment under the government-backed Shri Anna Abhiyan scheme. Despite government promotion of ragi cultivation, many farmers claim they have not received payments for crops sold at mandis months ago. Farmers have also alleged that technical issues in the government portal and e-pass system have disrupted the procurement and payment process across several parts of the district. Farmers await dues months after selling produce. In the Pita Mahal area under Rayagada Sadar block, farmers are busy collecting and processing freshly harvested ragi crops. As ragi remains a staple food in the district, the government has been promoting its cultivation under the Shri Anna Abhiyan program. Krishna Rao Huika, a farmer from Raikana village under Gumma Panchayat, said he has been cultivating ragi on 5 acres for the past 3 years. He alleged that despite selling around 15 quintals of ragi at the mandi this year, he is yet to receive payment.
मांडिया चाष करिकी आमे वर्ष बहुत कष्ट भोगुछु सर ने मार्च 31 मास सुधा आमे देई सारिथिलु सर मांडिया बिकी सारिछु मंडी एक्चुअली तांके मांडिया कोन कहले ना पुलिस मांडिया दरकार बोली कहले तेनु आमे छोटो मशीन गुडा को किणीकी ऋण बाड़ी करिकी किणीकी आमे मशीन रे पकेइलु मशीन पकेला बेलको मशीन बहुत समय लागिला टीपीसी वाला मंडी रु गोदाम को लिफ्टिंग करबा कथा किंतु से लिफ्टिंग करू ना आज्ञा साइड वेबसाइट बंद अछि बोली कहउछन शीघ्र जदी टीपी खोलले हमकु पैसा पाई थांतु पुनी आमे चाष करिके आगो को बढी थांतु.
The delay has reportedly forced several farmers to store large quantities of procured ragi inside their homes while waiting for official lifting and payment clearance. Farmers struggle to repay loans. Jagannath Nag also expressed concern over the worsening financial burden on cultivators.
ऋण मागिकी चाष जो करूँ से लोग आसिक पैसा मागुंट बाद आम परिवार चलवार असुविधा होगू चाष टाइम आईला से पैसा इन्वेस्ट करार अच्छी चाष आम आगे बढ़वार अच्छी धान चाष टाइम आईला सर टीडीसी सर उठेबार उठे पारे अवहेला आम आज बहुत कष्ट अनुभव कर रायगड़ा ब्लॉक सब एमती असुविधा.
Farmers said the prolonged payment delay has created uncertainty at a crucial time when preparations for the next crop cycle are underway. Government support and assured procurement prices had boosted interest in ragi cultivation across the district in recent years. Last year, around 980 farmers cultivated ragi over nearly 10,005 hectares in Rayagada. The procurement price has been fixed at Rs 4,886 per quintal, making the crop financially beneficial for tribal farmers. This year, Kashipur block recorded the highest cultivation, followed by Bisamkatak, Chandrapur and Rayagada blocks. Procurement being conducted through Lampics. Officials said ragi procurement in the district is being carried out through 18 large area multi-purpose cooperative societies, while the Tribal Development Cooperative Corporation (TDCC) is responsible for lifting the produce from mandis. However, farmers allege that delays in lifting stocks and processing procurement-related formalities have slowed down payment dispersal.
आमर जिला प्रशासन बहुत सीरियसली नहीं ए वर्ष आम स्ट्रिक्टली जो मांडिया को एफएक्यू क्वालिटी मांडिया कलेक्शन करने आम निर्धारित कलु एफएक्यू क्वालिटी से विभिन्न अलग अलग मिल आश्रय नेबार पड़ला से देवारे डेरी हो गला यहाँ तो आम हायर अप्स को आमर जनइबू कलेक्टर सार को भी आम कहीचु आदि आमर एमडी टीडीसीसी दिगरे पदक्षेप नेले मांडियाटा उठीज.
Officials associated with the Shri Anna Abhiyan said efforts are being made to resolve the issue and streamline procurement operations. The delay has raised concerns among tribal farming communities in Rayagada, where ragi cultivation remains crucial for nutrition and livelihoods. Experts warned that prolonged procurement delays could discourage farmers from continuing large-scale millet cultivation despite government promotion efforts. Farmers have now demanded immediate administrative intervention to speed up procurement, clear pending dues, and lift the stocked produce without further delay.